Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to add your height on Tinder. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that, click on Profile on the bottom right of the screen. After that, go and click on Edit Profile on the top of the screen. And scroll down a little bit until you will find the option height. Click on it, and here you will find like the measures that you need, and also the unit if you want it with feet, inches, or with centimeters. You can choose whatever you want, and just after that, confirm here, and after that, click on OK on the top right of the screen, and the height was added to your Tinder profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.